Solmo Rustic was established in 1973, and at that time it was established as a Gaelic college offering short courses, and a library was also started. But the intention of the trustees was really to establish a tertiary institution, and it was recognised as well there was a need to offer business skills, business management skills, because a lot of young people were leaving the area. Again, people were coming in, and the skills weren't within the communities. But it was also important that they had a sense, that young people had a sense of their own history, and also would learn from other analogous areas, like particularly Ireland and Canada, Canadian Maritime provinces. So we started this HND in Business Studies and Gaeltacht Studies. Over the years, we started then with 7 students, but over the years the number of students has increased, the number of courses have also increased. And I think the biggest development was in 1993 when we opened a new building. This building was on what we call the Arinyoste campus, and it had student accommodation, and that was important for developing the numbers on full-time programs, but also short course and conferences as well. And over the years, some other new courses started as well. In 1994, we were engaged for the first time with the University of the Highlands and Islands project. And it took, I think, 3 to 4 years before we developed our own BA programs. But we've also started offering distance provision, and that has also the numbers starting to increase. We started with this access to the degree program and Course Intrigi, and this is an award-winning program. It won European Languages Award. The numbers on that program have also increased. I think this year we've got 122 students studying on that course, but highly successful. It supported distance learning. The numbers on our HE programs have also continued to grow, and we now have nearly 200 students studying HE programs at the college. And a primary aim of the college is language maintenance and revitalisation. And on the research side, we've just been awarded funding for this important project. It's an inter-university project, and it will strengthen the research infrastructure within Solmore and within UHI and other institutions, but it will also look at language maintenance and regeneration. And that is something that I think we would all feel is very important to have research and lessons from other areas, from other countries as well, where languages are being revitalised. So we're very happy the way the college has developed. Its reputation also as an institute of higher education. It's important within the local community here. There's about 160 jobs, full-time, part-time, working for the college and in other parts as well, but it has a huge impact on this part of Skye and the Slate community. So it's important from an economic development perspective as well. I think I've been here now 26, 27 years, so obviously I do like my job, but I think the main thing is, as working in education, is working with students, colleagues of course, but students in particular, and seeing students coming to fluency, having that opportunity to gain fluency, and going on to employment as well. The other thing, a lot of students are employed here at the college as well, and they've been very good at keeping in touch with us all and with this institution. But I think it's just really the focus, the mission of the college. I think it's very focused on language maintenance, revitalisation, and this area is based here in Slate. It's a very good place. The environment here, and also obviously is a nice place to stay, and like that I've been very happy here over the years.